Our project is Paylocity Crypto System with privacy preserving in clouds. Paylocity Crypto System is the public key cryptography which is used for generating the keys for both encryption and decryption of the data which will be stored in the clouds. Privacy preserving is the user privacy which will be maintained for each user who are going to upload or download the files in the cloud. The mainstay here is we are going to propose a new decentralized access control scheme for secure data storage in clouds that supports anonymous authentication as well. Abstract. Here we are going to propose a new decentralized access control scheme in KDC for secure data storage in clouds. In the proposed scheme, the cloud verifies the authenticity of the series without knowing the user's identity before storing the data. The added feature here is only valid users are able to decrypt the stored information. The scheme also prevents replay attacks and supports creation, modification and reading data stored in the cloud. Moreover, our authentication access control scheme is decentralized and robust, unlike other access control schemes which are centralized in nature. Existing system. KDC is centralized in nature and symmetric key approach is used in the existing system. A single KDC distributes secret keys and attributes to all users. This is a single point of failure. Also, it is difficult to maintain. It does not support authentication. Proposed system. KDC is decentralized in nature, asymmetric key approach is used. It supports anonymous authentication and only valid users are able to decrypt the stored data. The scheme also prevents replay attacks. Modules. Trustee and Key Distribution Center, Data Storage in Clouds, Data Access Control. Trustee and Key Distribution Center. Here a user receives a token from Trustee and sends a token to KDC in order to receive the keys from KDC for encryption or decryption and signing. Data storage in clouds. After receiving the key, the message is encrypted and sent to the cloud. The cloud verifies the signature before storing the ciphertext. Data access control. When a reader wants to read, the cloud sends the data and the user who have attribute matching with access policy decrypt the information which is stored in the cloud. Architecture diagram. Here, first the valid user register themselves in the trustee, and on registering, trustee will provide the token that is signature to each user, and user will pass the token or signature to the KDC, and KDC will provide the keys for encryption or decryption of data. The message will be stored in the cloud in the form of message with access policy and also with the signature of each user. The user who have validity will send the request to KDC in order to download the file from the cloud. The KDC receives the request and sends the keys for decryption to the user. So with the keys for decryption, the user may be able to download the file and see the exact data which is stored in the cloud. Now we'll see the demo of our project. This is the home page of our project where trustee login, user login and KDC login is displayed. Now we are going to create a new KDC. So university name, university ID and password will be given and thus it will be submitted. So KDC is created successfully here. Now we are going to log in the KDC with the KDC name and password. So now we are going to add the user in KDC. Username, user ID and type will be added in the user details and we'll update the user. Several users can be updated here. So the users are updated successfully. So now we are going to register each user with the username, password, user ID, mail ID, mobile number, university and type. So now we are going to register. So once the user registers successfully, now we are going to log in as a user with the username and password. These are various links will be displayed to each user: file upload, file download, file list, file delete, key details and revocation. So now we are going to give the ID which is given to each user to get the token. So token is displayed to each user using the SHA algorithm. So username, user ID along with the signature, that is token. Now we are going to give the signature to the KDC in order to get the keys for both encryption and decryption of the data. So public keys and private keys. Public key for encryption and private keys for decryption. And we are going to upload the file. So once the file is uploaded, now we are going to set the privilege for the files as HOD, professor, lecturer, student, and also it will be maintained as private. With the access policy read or both read or write. Now we are going to upload the file. So file is uploaded successfully. So now we are going to log in as a trustee with the username and password which I have already given. So now we are going to log in. So trustee have all the details of user who are valid. So username, user ID, mobile number and mail ID of each user will be maintained and stored here. Also along with the token details of each user. So secure hash algorithm and Paylocity Crypto System we have used in our project. These are the references of our project. Thank you.